Final touch.
IGCC comprises a major administrative block, an auditorium, a canal, a warehouse, among other facilities. An environment-friendly concept, the IGCC has also been designed to integrate solar panels for the production of energy. In line with this year's WCO theme, the building ensures sustainability, being fitted with solar glasses, thus minimizing energy consumption. Natural ventilation and natural lighting add value to its modern concept. Let's move inside the administrative block. A welcoming space greets the stakeholder to transact in a coordinated approach with various trade-related agencies and customers. This service will reduce cargo dwell time and associated costs. Clearance of goods will no doubt be seamless.
The need for an integrated governmental clearance center, the IGCC, was underlined by the World Customs Organization in its recommendation for a coordinated border management. This one-stop shop is a tool that can bring under one roof several government agencies that deal with the processes of permits and authorizations as well as clearance of goods. The IGCC building will regroup customs officers and officers of other border controlling authorities responsible for the clearance of goods and passengers at the airport.